Tech 100, Dow Jones, Germany, and UK, all indices have traded bullish. In fact, Germany and FTSE post the closure of the market, EU market, have traded bullish with the US market and now trading at a higher level. So, now what to expect today? Important inflation data coming in from US later in the day. Definitely, it will bring volatility. What to expect from the data? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Next critical update will be released before the inflation data, and do not miss that for Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones, then DAX, and then FTSE 100. Do watch till the Let's start. And if you look at the hourly chart, see higher lows are getting created for Nasdaq 100, and see after these two, now it is accelerated here. The support is seen now at 15080, and hence a sell entry below 15080. You can expect 15040, 15,000 as a greater support. Only and only if it breaks below 15,000, we should treat this as bearish. Now see, it is still trading bullish on the upside. We should look forward for it to break past 15,200 levels in order to confirm a rise. Now what has happened here? See, it is still trading bullish. Look at the movement here: rise, retracement, rise again. So it is still trading bullish, and we are see accelerated bearishness. Once it stays above 15,160, you can buy, but then 15,180, 200 greater resistances exist there. Also remember, on the hourly chart, see, it is almost breach the top of this channel, and hence more bullishness is prevailing as of now. So you can buy at 15,160 levels, but then remember the fact 15,200 major milestone for Nasdaq 100, and then ultimately this zone at 15,280 and 300. These are two major milestones, double top, triple top levels for Nasdaq 100. Only and only if it breaks past 15,300, sky is the limit for Tech 100. Then we will look forward to 15,500, 800 levels. See, stochastic rising there, looking upwards. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI looking upwards here on the 2-hour chart. Now see, three candles getting the support base and creating the base at 15,120 levels, and hence a sell entry at 120, a buy entry at 160. In between this, do not trade, and above 160 also we have to strictly put a trailing stop loss till 15,200. That is a major milestone for Nasdaq 100. Stochastic is overbought, can pull back. MACD bullish, RSI looking upwards here. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. See, the support levels are now at 15,080, 40, 15,000 levels, and below that you should treat this for a crash. Also, if you look at, see, it is almost coming out of this bearish channel here. Hence, it can try to pull back little up. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking up. On the 4-hour charts also similar is the observation, taking the support at 15,080, 15,040 levels. It is looking forward to an upward move. We should wait for 15,200 to be breached, and then it can continue with the bullish momentum there. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI flat. And on the daily charts, similar is the observation. Why it could rise? See, reversal sign here and then higher lows. See, the previous candle with a flat top indicates that the possibility for a rise. So first reversal sign, first bullish candle, which means second bullish candle can take it till towards 15,300, and if it stays above 15,300, this time we are going to look at 400 and 500 levels also. Beyond 15,300, the chances for it to hit 15,450 will be very high. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, willing to converge cross. So sell entry, as we discussed, below 15,120, expect 15,080, 15,040, and 15,000 is the greater support. Then 14,970, and remember, if it breaks below 14,970, that is the point below which more bears will pitch in. Then possibility for it to drop will exist high. Why? Because see, the moving average are trading with extreme divergence now. But the only thing which I am seeing is a reversal sign, a flat top candle, and now second green candle. So right now still bullishness is there. Buy at 160, sell at 120. Take your trades accordingly. Remember, inflation data will bring volatility. Now look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn the art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch already started couple of days back. You can be a part of 24th batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look, US30 on the hourly charts, moving average is crossing over here. The 20 and 50 and 100 crossover is also here, but the prices are divergent from the moving average, and hence now see 34,100, which was the resistance earlier, is now going to be the support here, and then 34,000. Till 34,000 the bears will not be there. Only below 34,000 the bears will kick in, and then more drop can be expected below 34,000 levels. And yes, you can sell here at 34,200. Expect 160, 100, very good support, and then 34,000 the next support. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over for a sell here. You can see this RSI overbought on the 2-hour charts. Now on the 2-hour charts, it is still showing bullishness here. We have to wait for how it behaves at around 34,300 levels. Once it stays above 34,300, that is the time more bulls will kick in. Stochastic is overbought, and see the support levels, prices are too much divergent from the moving averages, which are situated at around 34,050 levels. Yes, the moving average can come up, but the prices also have to come down, which means 160, 100 levels can be expected. Stochastic dropping there, MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought, and on the 3-hour chart similar is the observation. This is the important milestone here. 34,000, 33,950 levels. Still here it is bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI near to overbought levels, and on the 4-hour charts similar is the observation. Prices are too much divergent from the moving average. It can converge till towards this level and possibly continue with the bullish momentum. So till 34,000, 33,950 should not be treated as bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI flat near to top, and on the daily charts also. Now look at daily charts. Yesterday what we discussed here, see we discussed a reversal, symmetrical candles, symmetrical candles. Now this is the time for US30 to decide which direction to take today. Any rise above 34,300 today should take it for 34,400, the greater resistance, and beyond that sky is the limit for US30. It can in fact go past 34,600, 800 level. See, precisely symmetrical. This is what we discussed. Just open the video yesterday and you will find this is what we had discussed. Now it has come to this level. I will wait for 34,400 and 500 zone, how it behaves. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. Stochastic looking up, MACD willing to converge crossover, RSI also looking up. Considering this, buy at 300, sell at 200, and remember, below 200 you can expect 160, 150, 34,000, 33,950. Till 33,950 you can just put a 50-point trailing stop loss. Once it drops below 33,950, where the bears will kick in, and then it is going to crash heavily. See, double bottom is done. It is looking forward to a triple top. I will watch out for how it behaves at around 34,500 levels if it continues the rally on the upside. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Germany 40. Now look at Germany, still bullish. You can see this support levels at 15,750 levels. If you look at these 3 candles, and also the 50 and 100 period moving average lying there. So 15,800 first support, 770, and then 700 are 3 major support levels. If you look at the bullishness, yes, it is trading bullish as of now, looking upwards. The next milestone appears to be at around 15,900, 950, and then ultimately 16,000 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over for a sell, RSI near to top looking upwards, and on the 2-hour chart you can see it has created a base here at 15,800, 15 levels, and that is why I say you can sell here at 15,810, or rather 15,800. Expect 15,780, very good support, 15,760 the next support, and then 15,720. 15,720 is a greater support, and then ultimately 650 will come into picture. Stochastic overbought has dropped. MACD is in bullish mode, trying to converge crossover, RSI looking upwards. On the 3-hour charts also similar is the observation. You can sell here at 15,815. Expect 800, 780, 760, 720, and then 650 as a major support. Now see, moving averages are converging here. Good signs for the bulls out there. It is giving you higher lows, but at the same time one must note the fact that see the highs there, it is still giving lower highs, and hence only 16,000 levels will confirm a reversal. Stochastic is definitely overbought and hence can cause a pullback. MACD is also bullish here. RSI is also looking upwards. And on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. It is looking upwards, but moving average is also converging here. Good signs for the bulls. However, after the drop, this is still retracement, treated as retracement till the time 16,000 is not breached. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD bullish, RSI looking up. And on the now see what we had discussed yesterday, after this drop I told you that it is bound to rise and we can expect a little stronger momentum. Now see, it has achieved the highs. More specifically, the previous candle closing was at the peak here and now it is still looking upward. So at 15,900 and 950 we'll see how it behaves, as 16,000 is the ultimate target now. Also, if you look at the momentum, you will see DAX is still not bullish till the time 16,100 is not yet breached. And in fact, I will say 16,200 is the reversal sign. So 16,000 major milestone, 16,100 greater milestone. On the downside, you can look at, see, accelerated bearishness or bullishness. Support is seen at 15,700 levels and 650 levels. Very, very good support there. Only if it breaches 650, you can say that we are going to look forward to a red candle. And then, because see what has happened, few red candles, retracement candle, yes, it is far below from the moving averages and that is why it is converging. However, a drop should bring more bears out there. See, MACD was extremely bearish and we have discussed this. That is why we can see a convergence. RSI is flat. So considering this, you can buy here at 15,860 levels. Expect 15,900 first target, 15,950, 15 and 16,000 is three major resistances, and then 16,100 can also be achieved. On the downside, you can sell here at 15,800, but then 15,760, 15,720, very, very good support. And below that, or rather you can sell at 820 itself, but then 780, 760, 720 are three major support. And then we can see a further drop till towards 650 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Only below 650, we should treat this as bearish till the time it is can possibly bounce back. Now let's have a look at UK 100. UK 100 on the hourly charts has formed a support here at 7,290 levels, and then the next support at 7,280. Only sell entry in UK 100 is below 7,280, else it can possibly bounce back. See, it was trading with divergence. We can see this converging. There is lot much of upside is still left on UK 100. We can still see it hitting 7,340, 7,380 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD bullish, RSI looking up. And on the 2-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. Now moving averages, which was trading with extreme divergence, have started to converge, and possibly once it stays above 7,310 levels you can buy, but then 7,320 is what I will look forward to. Beyond that, stay long and stay bullish, and we can expect it to give very good rise for 7,350, 80, in fact 7,400 levels. Stochastic is overbought, MACD bullish, RSI looking up. And on the 3-hour charts, similar observation, prices were divergent here from the moving averages. The moving averages were too much divergent, and we can see possible conversion till towards 7,340, 7,400 levels also can be seen here. Now till 7,3 or till 7,280, I will not recommend you to sell FTSE 100. Below 7,280, yes, you can sell. However, 7,260, 40, very, very good support exists here. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI looking up. On the 4-hour charts also, similar is the observation. It is still trading bullish, looking upwards, but the bullishness getting diminished here. So a possible rise beyond 7,320 levels is where you can expect a rise there. Stochastic is definitely overbought, but the MACD is also bullish. The RSI still has room for it to rise. Now coming to the daily charts. On the daily charts, one important factor to note, lower highs, higher lows. It is willing to give a breakout. Any rise above 7,320, yes, you can stay long. Remember, it is trading far divergent from the moving averages. It is trading far divergent from the top of the channel. It can potentially rise till towards this, and it can potentially give you a very, very strong bullish candle for 7,450, 500 levels also. Stochastic rising here, MACD is extremely bullish. We can stay long here, and RSI is oversold. We can expect a pullback. So you can buy at 7,310. Expect a rise for 7,340, 7,380, 7,450 levels. Yes, FTSE 100 can give a rise till towards those levels. On the downside, a sell entry can be taken at 7 to 80, but then possible support at 7 to 60, 40 is going to be very, very strong. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session.